Hello, dear customer. This is Steven from QLQ company. Today, I would like to share with you our Meta Zipper polishing machine. As you can see, this is the whole view of this machine. Actually, this machine includes two parts. And the first part is chamfering machine, and the second part is the surface polishing machine with 24 fiber polishing wheels. So now follow my video and I will share more details with you. Okay, my friends, so now let me show you more details of this machine. As you can see, this is our nameplate of this machine, and this nameplate we will put some basic information in this nameplate, and this is the whole control panel. In this control panel, you can see we have the power switch and also the cleaner switch in the stop and polishing and receive button, and also we have the speed adjuster. We have two speed adjuster to control the speed of this machine, and the zipper will going through in this part first. So as you can see, after this zipper coming to this part, it will go through this pressure wheel and go into this machine. And as you can see, in this chamfering machine, we have totally 8 polishing wheels. The upside and the downside, we have 4 polishing wheels. So totally 8 polishing wheels. And the zipper will finish the downside first. That go through the 4 polishing wheels first, and then we'll go another 4 polishing wheels later. So after going through this 8 polishing wheels, it will finish the chamfering processes. The main function of this chamfering machine is to polish the 3 sides of the zipper teeth. Let me show to you which 3 sides. The first size, this size, and also this size, and the last size is this size. So totally 3 size. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the main function of our chamfering machine. And the 3 sides of the front size and the back size will be polished. After finish the chamfering process, the zipper will go out from this part and through these views and go into the surface polishing machine. So now let me share more details of this surface polishing machine. As you can see, this surface polishing machine, we have totally 4 polishing wheels, but each polishing wheels we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small polishing wheels. So in this surface polishing machine, we have totally 24 P6 fiber polishing wheels. The main function of this machine is to polishing the surface of the zipper teeth. The surface of the zipper teeth, the front side and the back side will be polished through this machine. So after chamfering and the surface polishing process, the zipper will come out from this part. So this is the whole polishing process. So my friend, this is a brief introduction of our Meta Zipper polishing machine. It mainly have 2 functions, the chamfering and the surface polishing. If you want to know more details of these polishing machines, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.